Look at 3 live streaming webcams, 2 in Taiwan and 1 in Japan. And welcome to another update from the 4th to 13. In this one we look at 30W Kong Rey, and the Joint Typhoon Warning Center has it as a tropical storm. However, viewing the Japanese Meteorological Agency's website, they have it as a super typhoon. However, this is the life of the system up to a few hours ago. "30W is 35 degrees north, 128.6 degrees east, maximum winds 55 knots, minimum central pressure 981. This is the latest chart from the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. And Tropical Storm Kong Rey is 6 nautical miles south of ChinHae, South Korea. Has tracked northeastward at 26 knots over the last 6 hours. And coming up is a look at what the JMA has on the tropical storm, its track, and then we look at the NOAA floaters. In the meantime, animated multispectral satellites imagery depicts a small area of persistent central deep convection with a cloud shield, weakening spiral rain bands stretching to the north. Upper level analysis indicates that a mid-latitude trough is approaching the system from the northwest, and whilst there's excellent poleward outflow, it's being offset by high 25 to 40 knot vertical wind shear. The system has main intensity over the past day. Central convection has not yet been sheared away from the centre. Sea surface temperatures are now below 26 Celsius, no longer favourable for a tropical system. The system is now accelerating to the northeast under the influence of the mid-latitude westerlies. 30W will continually accelerate to the northeast as it becomes embedded in the approaching mid-latitude trough, and within 6 hours the tropical storm will begin extratropical transition, weakening slightly as it tracks over the cool waters, interacting with the baroclinic zone. Additionally, the system is brushing the Korean Peninsula. Land interaction will also help the weakening process. The system will develop a broad asymmetric wind field, frontal characteristics as it transitions, maintaining gale force winds through the next 36 hours. Now we have a look at various late cycle track guidance. Japanese Meteorological Agency has local warnings in place for the Amami region and the half of the southern western side of mainland Japan. And thanks to Levi Cowan, the owner operator of Tropical Tidbits, here's a couple of tracks, starting off with the precision of the tropical storm. It was Tropical Storm Kong Rey is now weakening. We are focusing on other systems that are to develop. And Nathan has already put one update out. Here's a look at another satellite imagery of the tropical storm.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Thor 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.